Ndewonu ndị ọma na-ege m ntị. Anyị abịakwala ọzọ na ihe omume anyị nke taa, nke bụ asụsụ Igbo amaka. N'eziokwu, asụsụ Igbo amaka n'ihi na asụsụ bụ ndụ mba. Ọ dị mma, n'ụbọchị nke taa anyị na-aga ịtụle n'isiokwu akụkụ ahụ dị iche iche ma ọ bụ mpaghara akụkụ ahụ dị iche iche ka anyị maara dịka parts of the human body. What makes up the human body? That is mpaghara akụkụ ahụ dị iche iche. Ọ bụ ya ka anyị na-aga ileba anya taa ka anyị mara ihe a na-akpọ ha n'olu Igbo. Nke mbụ bụ isi, head. Your head is called isi. That is E-C-E, isi, E-C-E, isi, head. We have the hair, that is ntutu isi. Ntutu isi gị, ntutu isi is known as the hair, ntutu isi, while the isi is known as the head, ntutu isi, hair. Then we have ihu isi, that is your forehead, ihu isi, ihu isi. We have the eye, anya, eye, anya. Then we have the sclera, sclera, that is the anya ọcha, your white eye. Your white eye is known as the sclera. Then we have the iris. Iris is the anya ojii, the black eye, anya ojii, the iris, anya ojii. You have the cheek, nti. Your cheek is known as nti, 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 nti. Then we have nose. Your nose is known as imi. Imi, imi, imi. Then we have another one, the lips. The lips. We have, it is called egbubere ọnụ. I know you can pronounce that one. Egbubere ọnụ. Egbubere ọnụ. Your lips. Then we have the teeth. Teeth. Eze. Eze. Eze, teeth, eze. And we have the tongue. Your ire. Ire is known as the tongue. Ire. And we have jaw. Your jaw is known as agba. Jaw, agba, agba, agba ọnụ is known as the jaw. Then the ear. Ear, ntị. Ear, ntị. Ear, nti, nti. Then we have another one, the palate. Okpo. Okpo. Inside there is called the okpo, palate. Okpo. Then we have the throat, that is akpere. Longer throat. Akpere is known as akpere, that is throat. Akpere. Then we have your shoulder. Shoulder is known as mbuaka. Some call it nguaka, some call it ubuaka. That is shoulder, your shoulder. Then we have the hands. Your two hands, they are known as aka. Hands, aka. Then we have your fingers. Fingers, mpesi aka. Fingers, mpesi aka. Okay. Then we have the chest. Chest, obi. Obi. Obi, chest. Then we also have mboaka. Mboaka, that is your nails. Shall we talk about it? Yes, mboaka. Then we have your breast, that is ara. Your ara is known as the breast. Then we have the stomach. The stomach is called afo. Afo, that is your stomach, afo. Then we have the navel. The navel is known as ntubu. Your ntubu. Some people call it otubu. Depends. It's called your navel, otubu or ntubu. Then we have the waist. The waist. That is your uku. Waist, uku. Then we have the back. Back, azu. Azu. Back, azu. Then we also have the thigh. The thigh. apata. Some call it apata, while some call it mpata, but it's called mpatoko or apatoko. That is your thigh. Okay, we also have the knee. That is your ikperoko. Your nails, they are called ikperoko. Then we have the legs. Our legs is called okwo. You know, okwo is different from uku. Uku is the waist, while the legs is okwo. Okay, we also have the